everyone, my name is Alfredo Rofico. In this video, I will present my poster presentation with title Language Variation Choice in Social Interaction Among Bilingual Speech Community. The author is Basuki, Umi Hartati, and Muklis from Universitas Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa. This research was conducted in Surakarta and Yogyakarta, which are considered as a bilingual speech community, Javanese and Indonesian. The bilingual community is a community that speaks at least two languages. People who master two languages tend to use both languages interchangeable in social interaction. The two languages used sometimes have a clear division of function or diglossic. Sometimes they can be used interchangeable without any explicit division of function or bilingualism. In practice, bilingual people, such as the people of Surakarta and Yogyakarta, often use two languages at the same time in social interaction. The problem that often occurs here is the mastery of the two languages that are not balanced. There are some people whose Javanese ability, as its first language, is relatively the same as Indonesian, as its second language. The method of this research is a qualitative research targeting a case of language used by bilingual speakers of Javanese and Indonesian language in the Surakarta and Yogyakarta region. Qualitative research uses qualitative data in the form of grammatical units which are in the form of word, sentence or discourse, not in the form of statistical figures. The data collection in this study was carried out with four techniques: listening technique, record technique, note taking technique, and interview technique. The analysis technique used is immediate constituent analysis carried out by linking the linguistic forms, specifically the selection of language variation in speech spoken by bilingual people. The research results include three things. Number one, describing the form of language variation choice that occurs in social interaction in the bilingual speech community. Number two, describing factors affecting language variation choice within social interaction in bilingual speech community. And three, describing the social meaning of the choice of language variation that occur in social interaction in the bilingual speech community. Factors underlying the speech are: number one, status social or social status; number two, age; number three, habit; and number four, unbalanced language acquisition. Discussion. Number one, social status. Speaker or interlocutor social status is often a consideration to determine the chosen variation. This means that by looking at the social status of the speaker and himself as opposite to speech, speaker can choose variations that are considered appropriate. Number two, age. Javanese people always respect older people. That is why social interaction will be reflected in this choice of language. Younger people usually use high language variation to the older ones. Older people use lower variation to the younger ones. And number three, habit. Habit in this case refers to something which become a commonness because every within that speech community does it. In addition, habits can also be based on the relationship between speaker and interlocutor who are used to speak specific language variation, therefore it is difficult to change it. Number four, imbalanced language proficiency. In bilingual society, the language ability to speak both languages is never balanced. A speaker sometimes more fluent in speaking a language than another language. Older bilinguals or those with low education level tend to have higher mastery of Javanese than their Indonesian. And the conclusion. The people of Yogyakarta and Surakarta are bilingual people who master the two languages, Indonesian and Javanese, along with their respective variation. In the bilingual community of Yogyakarta and Surakarta, eight languages were used in social interaction, namely Indonesian and Javanese Kromo, Indonesian and Ngoko Javanese, Javanese Kromo and Javanese Kromo, Javanese Kromo and Javanese Ngoko, Javanese Ngoko and Javanese Ngoko, Javanese Kromo and Javanese Ngoko and Indonesian. The choice of variation is modified by factor. Number 1, social status. Number 2, age. Number 3, habit. And number 4, unbalanced language proficiency. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.